Hi guys, charity shop gold or garbage, Nailsea today. I got some junk here. Okay, first of all we'll just look at this one. Inflatable palm tree, 90 centimeters tall, Henbrandt Limited. Copyright 2015. Okay, well, if you've been watching my channel, you know I've been doing a series of things stuck on top of a radio controlled car to make them radio controlled. So that's why I bought this. I just stick it on top of a car and drive it up and down the road to make it look amusing. So we'll do that at some time. And then we've got these. These were in a box marked 4 items for £1. And I spotted these 3. I had a good hunt around to see if there was a 4th one, and all I found was these 2 ducks. But they let me have the 5 items for £1. So I'm happy. These are the ones that you'd normally put them in water or lick your finger, and those 2 contacts there would probably make an LED light inside, but they obviously need the battery changed, and they're not designed to have the battery changed, they're glued in. So that's probably a one-way ticket for them. I'll probably cut them apart to change the batteries. I don't think there's any way of getting them apart without cutting them apart, because of the way they're glued together. We'll have a look at that in a minute, or maybe a separate video. And then these 3 fellas, I've changed the batteries in all 3 of them. 2 of them work, 1 of them doesn't. They don't do a lot. Very simple, hasn't got a wheel, it's just got 2 rotating cams, I suppose you'd call them. I mean, obviously it's supposed to be the legs. So all that one does is go along like that, which is cute, I suppose. So that one works. They take a single AAA battery. These are the ones that were inside, 3 of them. I think this is the other one that works. Yeah, same again, just simple rotating cam for legs. I rather hope they might bark or something, or make some sort of noise, but they don't. I suppose these bits sort of flap around a bit. And then the 3rd one doesn't work, even though I've changed the battery. So that gives us an excuse to take it apart, doesn't it? I don't know if I can reach that screw. I don't think I can reach that screw. I might be able to just do it like that.
Hey, thanks for watching. There's plenty of videos on my main channel with more added daily, so don't forget to subscribe and enable the notifications to keep you up to date with my new releases. You can help keep my channel running by donating $1 on Patreon to buy me coffee. You can always find more information in the video description. Thanks again for watching.